Your daily mental exhaustion is not a symptom of bad time management. It is a calculated extraction of your focus. Social media engineers this precise fatigue. You open an app to disconnect, but you engage in a transaction. You trade your cognitive energy for curated illusions. You compare the real chaos of raising a family with perfect digital fictions. This comparison creates a profound sense of failure. It drains the precise energy required to build real income from home. Notice this pattern. You wait all day for a quiet hour. The children sleep, the house settles. You sit down to build your home-based system. To write, to plan, to structure your quiet economy. But your mind is fractured. The screen demands your attention. A quick scroll becomes an hour of lost capital. This is not a personal failing. It is a mismatch of scale. You are fighting a billion-dollar algorithm with sheer willpower. Willpower depletes. Algorithms do not. Every image of a flawless living room strips away your creative momentum. Motherhood is an invisible economy. It demands constant cognitive processing. Managing schedules, anticipating needs, holding emotional space. This labor consumes immense mental bandwidth. When you add digital comparison to this load, the system crashes. You feel you are falling behind. Behind other mothers, behind business owners. Behind an invisible timeline. This feeling is the intended product. Dissatisfaction keeps you scrolling. Contentment does not generate ad revenue. To build leverage, you must protect your raw material. Your attention is the currency of the modern home economy. When you give that currency to a feed, your personal projects starve. A fragmented mind cannot design a scalable system. This is the shift. You must construct a barrier between your consumption and your production. We call this the cognitive containment protocol. The protocol operates on a simple principle. Energy flows where friction is lowest. Social media is frictionless. Building wealth requires friction. You must invert this equation. Make consumption difficult. Make production inevitable. Have you noticed how your motivation vanishes the moment you open an app? Share your experience. The protocol requires analog disruption. A physical barrier between the digital world and your working mind. A tactical time-blocking planner serves this function. Not a digital calendar, a physical, tactile object. Placing a structured paper planner on your desk changes the environment. It acts as an anchor for your attention. It gives your eyes a place to land that does not refresh. You can find excellent time-blocking planners through the link in the description. This simple tool breaks the digital loop. It forces you to interact with your own intentions before reacting to the world. Social media is a tool for consuming value. A home-based business is a system for creating value. You cannot occupy both states simultaneously. The transition takes time. The brain needs a buffer to switch modes. When you jump from folding laundry to watching lifestyle reels, you exhaust your executive function. The cognitive containment protocol demands silence. 5 minutes of doing nothing before you attempt to work. No music, no podcasts, no scrolling, just the physical reality of the room you are in. Observe the resistance. The resistance to silence is profound. The quiet feels unproductive, but the quiet is where structural thinking occurs. The digital landscape thrives on noise. It convinces you that action equals progress. Clicking, liking, saving. These are micro-actions that simulate productivity. But they yield zero economic return for your household. You save recipes you will never cook. You bookmark business ideas you will never launch. This archiving behavior provides a dopamine spike. It tricks your brain into feeling accomplished without doing the actual work. Real home-based income systems are built in the unglamorous hours. They require deep, sustained focus. They do not look like a curated montage. They look like a messy desk and an open document. The comparison trap is the most efficient destroyer of momentum. You look at a young entrepreneur with a pristine office. You forget her reality is engineered for a lens. You forget she does not have the variables of a family dynamic. Motherhood introduces unpredictable variables. Sickness, sleepless nights, sudden emotional crises. Your economic system must be resilient enough to absorb these variables. It must be built on your unique constraints. When you judge your progress against a fabricated baseline, you invite paralysis. Paralysis halts production. The cognitive containment protocol requires brutal honesty about your capacity. You may only have 45 minutes a day. 45 minutes of compound effort is a formidable asset. 45 minutes split between a document and a feed is nothing. Let us examine the mechanics of attention residue. When you look at an infuriating post, a part of your brain stays with it. You return to your work, but your processing power is divided. You are operating on a fraction of your intelligence. This is why the exhaustion feels so profound. You are running high-demand software on depleted hardware. The solution is not better time management. The solution is ruthless environment design. Your phone must not be in the room when you build your system. It is a beacon of interruption. Distance creates friction. If you have to stand up and walk to another room to check a notification, you break the impulse. Protect the asset. The asset is your ability to think clearly, to see the gaps in the market, to identify where your skills meet a need. The soft power economy relies on insight. Insight is the first casualty of cognitive overload. The platforms are designed to evoke emotion. Outrage, envy, longing. These emotions hijack the prefrontal cortex. Logic and strategy are suppressed. You cannot write a persuasive sales page while experiencing digital envy. You must reclaim your emotional baseline. The protocol demands a strict information diet. Unfollow any account that triggers the comparison spiral. Your feed should be a tool for learning, not a mirror for your insecurities. Treat your digital environment with the same rigor you treat your physical home. Remove the clutter. It is commonly seen that the most profitable home-based entrepreneurs are almost invisible online. They are not performing their success. They are building the infrastructure of their success. They focus on client acquisition, product refinement, and system automation. Not on aesthetic validation. You are building an ark for your family's future. You cannot be distracted by the weather outside. The economy is shifting toward decentralized, specialized knowledge. Your experience is valuable. But that value remains locked if you cannot focus long enough to package it into a service or product. The transition from consumer to creator is uncomfortable. It requires facing the blank page. It requires sitting with the uncertainty of a new venture. The screen offers an easy escape from this discomfort. You must remove the escape route, commit to the discomfort. The discomfort is the friction of growth. Notice the system. The systems that generate reliable income from a living room do not require perfection. They require consistency. A flawed system executed daily will outperform a brilliant concept that is abandoned due to mental fatigue. The mental fatigue you experience is a symptom of misallocated resources. You are giving your premium energy away for free. Reclaim that energy, direct it toward your own financial autonomy. Build the walls around your focus. The cognitive containment protocol is your defense mechanism. Implement it with cold precision. The chaos of your living room is not a barrier to your success. It is the reality you are building within. Embrace the mess. Reject the digital illusion. Your power lies in the unfiltered reality of your work. You must choose between the exhaustion of social media comparison and the quiet power of a home-based income. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. Legal notice. This material is for educational and strategic purposes and does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.